Hey, Jimbo. Here. This is my cute dog, Jimbo. He loves me a lot. He don't like guns, though. But that's okay. I like guns. He does. But he's still a cute little dog I have in my room with my Star Wars blanket on here. There you go, buddy. So, Jimbo, how you doing? How you doing, little buddy? Oh, see, he's a cute little dog. He may not be strong and tough, but he's a cute little dog. We just rescued him today. So he's not really used to me, but he likes me. Jimbo, on my hand. Oh, thanks, buddy. I didn't say lick my hand, but that's the way how you kiss. So, how you doing, little Jimbo? Yeah, we just rescued him. He's a cute little beagle mix. Before they would have put him in the zoo and just put him down. We rescued him. He's a cute little dog. Oh, want more attention? There we go. He's a cute little dog. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna have to get off before someone finds out I'm on my phone. So yeah, see you guys.